Let's see what's going on here. We can see the 4-hour time frame, the high structure zone. Here we can see a pure violation of the structure. I'm also adding the high rejection level. We can see the price managed to close above the rejection level, form a decent breakout candle. But the retest pullback structure wasn't respecting the structure zone, and gave a complete violation in a bearish way. With this, we have a complete candle breakdown with a fake out. Now I'm going on a lower time frame to further identify the structure, and I can see the higher low structure zone. Right there. On even a smaller scale, the price managed to break the last higher high to the downside and get into the indecision range of the structure. By these wick rejections, I am able to identify that this higher low structure zone is being respected and has a nice reputation in the structure. Going with the higher time frame violation of the structures as well the lower time frame higher high structure zone. Going into indecision structure, I am preparing for a break and retest on the last higher low structure zone for a potential overall structure shift.